Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford F-250 XL. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 42,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include spare tire kit, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, stability control, and traction control.